Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going back to the C119 project, as I haven't worked on it for a long time, and I had an inquiry about one of the subscribers asking if I am going to put the STL files available just for a static model, not a RC model. So I think because the time is limited and I'm working on the B29 RC model, I'm thinking to just do this one for a static model. Then if anyone wants to create an RC model from this, then they can just follow the B29 project, which slowly I get into the final stage. So let's start with recreating these ribs as a solid. So I am going to hide everything. Oh, now I have the cat start to come and play with me at the wrong time. And what I want the engine case. I want the engine case, and I need to bring them back to the original measurement. So I am going to offset the face, and I'm gonna put 0.6, and then I'm gonna do the same for this one. 0.6. Also, I am going to change the appearance. Okay, yes, that's fine. So I can then rename this. And let's bring this one up, style in. To make life easier. Bring this one just after the fuselage. There we go. So now if I put back everything there, so what I need to do, I need to split this one as it was split before. Take that one off, it's not really needed. So let me try to see if the construction, okay, for the construction for this. So I'm gonna split, and I'm gonna use 1 and 2, and I'm gonna hide the construction. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this plane to split that. So split body, and that is the split body. While we are here, what we can do, this is a I could split. I need to split this too. I need to split this too because I need to make this one on this side. So I'm gonna split this and this, and I'm gonna use the middle plane, so I can actually remove that, and I can remove this, and let's go down, and we do create a mirror this plane, and I'm gonna join, so I need to get those joined back, and we do the same with this one. So it's a mirror, we select in the plane, select join here, and OK. So now I think I can remove this one. Okay, select them all. Oops. Click on the over. What we have here? Okay, let me take this one up as well. With that for now. So that's the over 3. So that will be over 2, I guess. And this one engine cover 1. And then we have this one and this one. Okay, take these 2 off. Now what we need to do, I want to, yes, these 2. Okay, as you can see, these 2 have the ribs inside, so I need to replace these with the with these 2 solid. So what I'm gonna do, let me start with this one, and I'm gonna combine target body is that one and select body is that one. Remember to put back the into join. Don't need to keep the tool, so we click OK. So now that is back on, and we need that one as well, and we do the same. So we select the target, we select the body, and we click OK. And now we have that. Go engine 3, and we have engine 2. So 1, 2, 3, and the case. So, and then just need to start from there. I don't need the fuselage, so let me take the fuselage off so I know from where to start. Then I go wing, wing, flap, aileron, 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 vertical, 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 vertical. I don't want that, and I don't want any of those. So if I select them all and I do a mirror, we should have a full complete body. And this is the final product. What I want to do is changing this color because they are hideous. Okay, hide the origin point. What we can do, we can split these two. So we split that and that. Okay, that's okay. So otherwise, it will be too long for the 3D printer. So now we put this too near to okay. So these technically we can remove them. There's no needed anymore. And now, if you want, let me just do the fuselage. It's quick and easy to explain. So now, if you want, let's leave fuselage 1 out. So you have two options here. You can either say save as a mesh as a full, and that will print out the full body, or you can do the shell and just have a thicker border but an empty section. So that will save you filament and weight and time for printing. So what you can do here, you can then click on the shell and then say 10 mil, and that will give you a shell done. You click OK. Now, as you can see, it hasn't gone right out because it's left the 10 mil of the wall. So you select that and you extrude out, and that will give you a completely empty shell. Then you can do the same with this one. It's a bit slow today because I am running something in the background which take a bit of power, and that will give you that one. So we can go to this one we do the same, click OK, and then we extrude out, and then on this one and we click OK, and here there is no need to extrude out because that need to stay closed. So here we have the full fuselage shelled out and can be printed. Oh, can't remember if I show you the settings of the printer. So what you can do here, you use 2 wall loops as normal. You select gyroid, no idea how to pronounce it, and then I normally go with 1% or 2% infill. So this is the, if you look here, this is the 1% infill. If you want a little bit more stronger, you just put 2%. That should be plenty. As you can see, it makes lots of connections, so it could be useful. And then let's have a look at 275 and 4 hours and a half. 275 and 4 hours and a half. So just 20 minutes less here and 20 grams less of filament. You just need to try and error. So now what we have left here, we have left with the nose, well, with the front of the fuselage. So this is a bit of a pain because let me save, because it could crash. If I try to do a shell here, the same, and I put 10 as usual. As you can see, it's taking quite a bit of time to think, and then it should come with an error. Eventually. Give another few seconds, and then if not, I'm gonna cut the video afterwards. Okay, well, I didn't. So it doesn't work. I have tried several options, and I couldn't make it work. I think it's because there is too much of a change of the shape and cannot compute. So what I have decided to do is to copy and paste. Okay, so let's get the new one hidden for now, and I am going to put the opacity at 50%, hide that one up, get the second one back, and I found with the scale is come decent. So I deselected the automated point, and I'm going to use the point of the origin point. So click that one, and I'm gonna put 0.9 as a scale. Press OK. Now I select it and I press move, and then I get the other one back in so I can see and adjust where I want. So I'm gonna give a little bit like this. Quite even all around, and I click OK. Then what I'm gonna do, I am going to combine the target body is that one, and that is the second body. I'm gonna go with a cut. I'm gonna keep the two for the time being, just in case. And actually, let me wait a second. I am going to extrude this one or pull. Let's have a look which one works better. And maybe the pull. Let's have a look at how that goes. Just had a last second idea. Okay, probably I just need 15. Right, and let me redo it. Pull 15. So that should be enough. Yes. Right. So put that one back in. Combined. Select the body, target body, and we do a cut. Let me keep it. Press OK. And now we should have a shell. Okay, just realize up here is no gray. Don't think I can do much now. So here we have now a shell body. Sectional, and we have a shell body. Good. So from here you can actually do the same thing for the engine structure here. I will probably won't bother about the wings because you can just print it with the infill. And then if you want to do an RC model, I will suggest probably start to create some actually this one now can be removed. You may need to do some a support inside for servos and and batteries, etc. But if you want to go to that route, you can look at the B29 and pretty much replicate on here. Eventually I will get back to this one to make a RC as well, but because my time the time at the moment is not great, I will concentrate more on the B29. So let me have a look. Well, let me try this one. If I do the same 10 maybe. Have a look at how that works. Didn't like much from the inside, so let me try what's happening from here. I'm gonna have the shell. It may not work, doesn't work here. So maybe what we had to do let's have a look. Still have that option. So now it's not working that way. So what we can do, you create a sketch there, you offset the edge for whatever you need, and then you probably do the same here, and then you extrude it that way. Have a look. The one. That's the in the ring. Take something out. See if this one works. Okay, this one looks like it worked. And again, you do extrude out. Yeah, it doesn't follow because it's inclined, but it will do. It will reduce the weight of the section. So this one probably won't work. Oh, it did. But here I maybe don't go through because I keep this one fully solid. I had to support the vertical stabilizers, so I do this too. Like that. And probably this one you had to yeah, you can shell, so you will not put a engine in there. Oh, that's cute. And that's the, have a look. Comes through something. And we pull. Oh no. I split the body using this face. That that maybe goes okay. And we have that engine, so let me recombine, and then we combine that with that. Have a look. Okay, let me do again that one and that one. Doesn't like it. Okay, yeah, it started more to, oh, here we go. Yeah, so engine case, go back up. I can now remove that one, and that the bit was is inside, and we remove. So, and now we have the shell as well. So I think for today is should be it. So if you are interested on the STL file, if you didn't do the plane yourself following the tutorial, just get in touch, and we can certainly, I can certainly do something. So for now, thank you very much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial, and hopefully I will get the time to convert into RC model. So we will see. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.